how to clear your iPhone's RAM memory with just one click. Before we begin, keep in mind that this doesn't delete your photos, apps, or personal data. It simply refreshes your iPhone's memory by closing background processes. To get started, if your iPhone has Assistive Touch enabled, go to Settings, then Accessibility, tap Touch, and turn on Assistive Touch if it isn't already. Now, press and hold the power button until the slide to power off screen appears. Don't turn off your iPhone. Instead, tap the Assistive Touch button, then press and hold the Home button in the Assistive Touch menu until your iPhone returns to the lock screen or home screen. This refreshes your iPhone's RAM and can help make the device feel more responsive. If your iPhone has a physical home button, you can also press and hold the power button until the power off screen appears, then press and hold the home button until you return to the home screen. That's it! You've successfully cleared the RAM memory on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, iOS tutorials, and easy tech guides.